There's lots of change happening at the moment. We're seeing units being realised closer to their point of use, which means that we end up with lower uncertainties and people have more accurate measurements. And also we're seeing an increased use of networks of low-cost sensors that can make widespread measurements over an area and enable us, by linking the data from them together, to get a better understanding of, for instance, how much pollution a factory might be causing, and so we can help to improve that factory's processes. NPL's role in the changes is to be able to provide confidence in digital data. What we're interested in doing is being able to provide traceability and uncertainty evaluation so that the people who use digital data to make their decisions can have confidence that they have the right data and that it's of an appropriate quality.
What digital products and services could people expect?
Well, at the moment, NPL is developing a wide range of different tools that will allow people to access their data. So, for instance, if people regularly send a device to NPL to be calibrated, then they will be able to access the history of that data and see how their device is changing over time. In addition, we're also able to offer remote calibration for some devices, where we would send an artifact out to people, they would make measurements on it and send us the results, and we would process those results to be able to explain to them what was happening to their device and how they can make better measurements. Confidence in data is incredibly important because there are many challenges facing the world at the moment that need to be informed by data and need to be informed by reliable data. It's really important not just that we have good quality data, but we're able to demonstrate independently that it's good quality data by having an uncertainty and a traceability chain associated with it so that we can prove this is good data.